Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make the iconic strudel. First, let's craft the perfect dough. You'll need about 2 cups of all-purpose flour, half a cup of warm water, 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil, and a pinch of salt. Knead this mixture for a full 10 minutes until it's wonderfully smooth and elastic. Then, cover it and let it rest for 1 hour. This crucial step allows the gluten to relax, making the dough much easier to stretch later. Next, we prepare the delicious apple filling. You'll want about 4 medium-sized apples, peeled, cored, and thinly sliced. Mix them with half a cup of granulated sugar, 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, and the zest of 1 lemon. For an extra layer of flavor, stir in a 1/4 cup of golden raisins and 1 tablespoon of dark rum. Don't forget to toast about half a cup of breadcrumbs in 2 tablespoons of melted butter until they're beautifully golden brown. This adds a delightful texture. Now for the most satisfying part, stretching the dough. On a lightly floured cloth, gently stretch the dough from the center outwards using the backs of your hands. Aim for a sheet so thin you can almost read a newspaper through it, roughly 20 by 30 inches. Brush the entire surface with about 4 tablespoons of melted butter, then sprinkle with your toasted breadcrumbs. Finally, spread the apple filling evenly over about 2/3 of the dough, leaving a border. With the filling in place, it's time to roll. Using the cloth, carefully lift and roll the strudel tightly, tucking in the ends as you go to seal the filling. Transfer it to a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Bake in a preheated oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for approximately 45 minutes, or until golden brown and fragrant. Let it cool slightly, then slice and serve warm, perhaps with a generous dollop of freshly whipped cream. Enjoy your masterpiece.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.